Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the best Dr. Brown's brush, specifically the Dr. Brown's Natural Flow Reusable Baby Bottle Vent System and Reservoir Cleaning Bristle Brush, available in an 8-pack. This essential brush set is perfect for parents who are committed to keeping their baby bottles clean and safe. Let's start with the design. Each brush in this set features a slender, flexible design that allows it to reach all the tricky corners of Dr. Brown's anti-colic bottles. The bristles are made from high-quality, BPA-free plastic, ensuring safety for your little ones while providing excellent cleaning power. These brushes are specifically crafted to maneuver through the internal components of the bottle, including the vent inserts and reservoir, allowing parents to maintain proper hygiene with ease. One of the standout features of this brush set is its versatility. Not only can it be used for Dr. Brown's narrow and wide neck baby bottles, but it also fits most other anti-colic bottles and brands. This means you'll get great use out of these brushes for years to come, making them a smart investment for any parent. Plus, they're lightweight and easy to handle, making the cleaning process simple and efficient. In this 8-pack, you receive 4 brushes, allowing you to replace any lost or worn brushes and even keep a few as spares. Imagine having the peace of mind knowing that you have the right tools on hand whenever cleaning is needed. Additionally, these brushes can also be used to clean sippy cups and straw cups, so they truly serve multiple purposes within your household. Purchasing this brush set is not just about convenience, it's also about providing the best care for your baby. Keeping bottles and feeding equipment clean is vital for your child's health, and with the Dr. Brown's brushes, you can ensure that every inch of the bottle is cleaned effectively. The bundle price is also quite pocket-friendly at just $10.98, which breaks down to a mere $1.37 per brush. It's an affordable solution that doesn't compromise on quality. In conclusion, the Dr. Brown's Natural Flow Reusable Baby Bottle Vent System and Reservoir Cleaning Bristle Brush Set is an invaluable asset for busy parents striving to provide a clean and safe feeding experience for their children. With its effective design, versatile use, and great value, this is undoubtedly the best brush you can get for Dr. Brown's bottles. Don't miss the chance to enhance your bottle cleaning routine with this fantastic set. Thank you for watching this review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more insightful product reviews.